Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to find your IP address in Windows, PC or etc. Laptop or tablet. So let's get started. First thing first, open your Google Chrome profile and tap on it. After that, click on the plus icon. Then the new tab will be open and simply type my IP address. And the first website is what is my IP address. Simply click on it and see your public address. And there you have it. You have successfully find your IP address. My IP address is IPv6 2400 double dot ADC 7 double dot ratio 942 ratio EB double zero ratio C ratio 15 A ratio 89 C 8 ratio 38 B4 ratio 725 EB.